The Dasaita Android 13 car stereo is a remarkable upgrade for Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2015, offering seamless integration with existing vehicle systems. Equipped with a powerful 8-core Qualcomm processor, this car stereo ensures smooth and fast performance, allowing you to enjoy high-speed connectivity and multitasking. With both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it provides an intuitive interface for hands-free control, making it easy to navigate, communicate, and entertain while driving safely. The built-in off-road inclinometer function enhances driving safety by monitoring and alerting you to changes in your vehicle's roll and pitch angles, especially useful on challenging terrains. For audio enthusiasts, the stereo delivers superior sound quality with a professional-grade amplifier, offering a rich and immersive listening experience with customizable settings. Featuring a fully laminated QLED display, the unit boasts excellent clarity and responsiveness, along with access to a wide array of apps for a comprehensive in-car entertainment setup.